Hey guys, I want to share with you today something about overlays. A lot of people don't know what overlays are, and it causes a lot of issues in our industry because people go to a loan officer and ask them if they qualify, and then they tell them they don't. But oftentimes, that's not actually the underwriting guidelines that are making that happen. It's the overlays that that particular lender has. And so what happens is for instance in VA there is an overlay, and one good example is there are no debt to income ratio limits in the VA loan benefit guide. It has a wholly different way that we look at things, but yet different individual lenders and primarily bankers are going to put some sort of an overlay, say that they won't go beyond 50% debt to income ratio. And the same thing works for like FICO scores. There is no minimum FICO scores in the VA loan benefit. It is all about what that individual lender does. And so one of the advantages that I have as a broker is that I have 82 lenders that my brokerage is set up with. And so I have 5 different lenders that do not have any overlays on the VA. So it allows me to do things that other people can't do. I just closed a loan not too long ago that's 70% debt to income ratio. Guy had great residual income, which is what they actually do. His scores were good. It was a very good loan, and in fact, he had a spouse that we weren't counting her income because of some different situations that made it where his actual debt to income wasn't 70, but that's what we had to qualify for him. So overlays are an individual thing that lenders choose to add to the guidelines and overlay those guidelines. So if you have a question and you have a loan that's not getting approved for whatever reason, then if you would check with me and we can talk about it, I'll let you know if it's an overlay or if I have a lender that has an appetite for that particular product and that particular scenario. So have a great day and giddy up.